This is a video for how to go about forcing a user of a Google Sheet, Google Doc, or a Google Slide to make a copy when you are sharing a file with them. So you're going to notice I have three separate things open. I have a Google Slide here that I've created. I have a Google Doc and I have a Google Sheet. And what I want to happen is I want to share this with students of mine, but I just don't want to have to make them go to File and go down to, make a copy and go this route. I want to force them to make a copy so they can't edit anything in this before they do that. So when I share the link, I want it to go directly into forcing them to make a copy for themselves. So in order to do that, you're going to see up here in kind of your browser address area, you have, the, basic location of the document. And we're just going to highlight where it says edit down here at the end, and we're going to write the word copy, and we're going to hit enter. And you're going to notice automatically it goes to make a copy. Now this right here would be the link that I would share with a student. If I'm using a learning management system or anything else, I would just share this link. So automatically when they click on the link, it forces them to make a copy. We'll do the exact same thing up here for this Google Doc. Just going to write the word copy instead of edit. Automatically, it's going to force them to make a copy. And sometimes, I use Google Slides for templates for turning in assignments and things. I'm just going to write in copy and hit enter. And automatically, when I share the link, forces them to make a copy. So I don't want any of my students to edit anything that I share with them. It's going to force them here. You make a copy. If I want them to go in and actually, edit it themselves, do their own thing, and then turn that in. So this is a great thing to use for any kind of distance learning you might use, or an example of, even when you're live in an in-classroom instruction environment, when you're trying to share files with students that you don't want them to have the ability to edit from your original, master copy, if you will. So this is a video on how to go about forcing a copy to be made of a Google Slide, Google document, or Google Sheet to share with your students.